Hello friends, hello family, this is Apple. She's my mother's dog. Isn't she beautiful? She's a beautiful black dog. I love her to death. She's a Chihuahua. She knows a lot of tricks. It took a very long time to train her. If you ever trained a Chihuahua, you know exactly what I'm talking about. This is her laying on me. I love this little dog. Here's some video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for stopping by. Please like and subscribe. This is my mother and me. I'm dark, she's blonde. If you look closely, it looks like Apple's getting ready to take a dump. That's my mother. Isn't she beautiful? This is Christmas 2019.
Take her, get her. Get her. Hi, Tiggs. Get her, Tiggs. Get her. Tigger, get Apple.
Apple wants to thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.